Great reasons to choose an above-ground pool. When it comes to backyard fun, a swimming pool can make all the difference. But not everyone wants or needs the cost and commitment of an in-ground model. If you're thinking about investing, here are great reasons to choose an above-ground pool. Quick setup and immediate enjoyment. Above-ground pools are designed for fast installation. Unlike in-ground models, which may require weeks or even months to construct, above-ground pools can often be set up in a single day. With quick installation, you can purchase your pool, get it set up, and go for a refreshing swim in no time. Great entertaining kids. Above-ground swimming pools are incredibly popular with families with children. These pools offer the same fun and excitement of in-ground models, but with far more safety. Elevated slides ensure small children or pets do not accidentally slip into the water. Low commitment, high reward. An above-ground pool offers all the same incredible benefits of swimming, fun, fitness, and family time without the long-term commitment of a permanent structure. Plus, as your needs change, you can disassemble and store, relocate, upgrade, or remove the pool from your backyard altogether in just a few hours. So go ahead, take a swim. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To learn more about the benefits of owning an above-ground swimming pool, just give us a call or visit our website at www.apollopoolsandspas.com.